Dope shit like that, Germ. Oh, hi. Welcome back to Kids. Follow your dreams. Yeah. Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies. I see the future, crystal ball, mirror, mirror hanging on the wall. Who the flyest white boy of them all? Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubbling, we fucking and you cuddling. Like baby, where the fuck you been? I wanna tell you she in love with him. So we ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing, cause she kissed you with the mouth. She gave me head with my king.
You want me to lead?
Sure.
Let's go to Bentley's house. Bentley's we go. Hey, bro.
Huh?
Is it A?
I thought you were gonna take your Corvette.
You think mine is probably your mom?
Huh?
You think mine is probably yours?
We're not gonna go fast.
Yeah, we're just going mudding. Have the camera, bro. Yo. Seriously? This is a dirt road. It's not his fault or our fault.
I didn't know this was a dirt road.
You did it?
No.
going first?
Huh?
Who's going first?
I don't care. I'm putting this down now.
Okay.
I don't know if I should go through it. I haven't went through it yet.
You said you did.
No, I haven't.
Well, yours is only a little bit smaller than mine. Oh yeah! Woo! You wanna try to go all the way?
All the way through.
Yeah, let's try it.
You do it.
I will fail.
Yours is taller than mine.
True. Do you have your strap on you?
Huh?
Do you have your strap on you?
Oh, I can get one.
Okay, what?
I can get one.
Okay,
So if you get stuck, we'll just run up to my house.
okay. I don't think I'll make it all the way, bro.
Connor, you don't think you can make it all the way?
I don't think so, no. I think I'll flood it. How much deeper does it get? Should I stop or should I keep it going? Should I turn off the floor or should I keep it on? Holy hell, we're deep, bro. I'm deep in here.
Sophie, shut our four-wheeler off. Make sure it's in park. What? Make sure it's in park.
I'm deep in this shit, bro.
It doesn't get much deeper. Because you gotta-
That's touching the rock.
No, go up there.
Connor, that's
Get the stick out of my face.
What if it goes deeper up there, though? I don't want to like flood this thing.
Did you make sure my... Yeah, it's in park.
That's fun. Oh shit. All right, Billy, your turn. Your turn. I got this shit, bro. I'm gonna fucking. This is so fun. What happened?
I think she has dip lock on.
What's that?
I think so.
What's dip lock?
Diff lock. It's differential lock.
Dip lock
It
back?
sounds like it's running so high. Like
It does, yeah.
it sounded like you were like almost about to hit a limiter when you were going through it.
I know. But it felt like it was on low. But it was
Are you in
high.
full? Are you in full wheel drive? Are you in?
What is this?
This?
That's
Just click it and it changes your shit. It tells you like all your stats. It tells you like your RPM. It tells your engine temperature. It tells you everything.
Like, duh.
Now where are we going? No. You want to go hit like that jump area up there? Okay. They chilling? Yeah, they're good. I see him. Look at this shit, bro. It was all the way up to like my fucking knees.
Yeah, I bet. Why
No.
does Katie's four-wheeler seem worse than yours?
They're the same fucking thing, too. Oh my god. Yeah. What'd you do? What are you guys doing? Why are you guys sitting there?
Not shifting. Like it's shifting on there, but it's not shifting on you. No, like this. Do you not hear that?
I do.
It's smoking. You can smell it.
I don't know what you guys did that counter didn't it? You guys have the same folder.
Because theirs is green, that's why. Theirs is green.
Yeah.
The color makes it shit.
Yeah, because ours is freaking chopped.
All green four-wheelers are fucking shit.
You're the one who broke the last one.
Yeah, see, it was shit. It was shit. See? I didn't
You
break.
broke it because you know how to shift.
I didn't break my yellow Suzuki, and I shifted the same way I shifted the Honda.
Okay, that's after you learned how to shift.
No,
You were
no, no,
driving
no, no,
before
no.
You knew how to shift.
No, no, no. Green four-wheelers suck.
Where is it?
See, this is why I wanted the white one.
Where's its shifter? That
That sounds so weird.
That is not good.
Well, when I put it in reverse, does it always blink like that?
sounds fine. Like, yeah, it always works.
It does.
Put it low.
Because when it's in high, it's
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go set this on your four-wheeler.
It's not gonna be fixed.
They're gonna blame it on me. They're gonna be like, "Cuz you broke it." I got video proof I didn't break it. Is this yours?
That could be anybody.
I just found this.
Look, That's where your feet go.
What?
Looks like where
I
your feet
don't
go.
know.
Look it. It looks like where your foot would
That
go.
shouldn't-
I don't know. It's too fucking tall for it.
No water should have affected this thing.
Blaine, does that go to yours?
No, that could have been like full second in Jordan, second in whoever rides on his pipeline.
Yeah.
Katie, I seriously like this chance.
I think once you can get it going, it'll get going. Yeah. You can't go slow through that. You just have to fucking send it.
I went slow.
Where's the shifter on this? Where's the shifter?
Well, if that thing on this wall goes off.
Why are they fucking...
Is that what?
About that, there's water in there, yeah.
Okay, but that's like
How'd you get the seat off?
dry.
You just took it off?
I literally just bowled it. I don't know. Fuck, I don't know where that's supposed to go.
We're probably just breaking it more.
No.
I think it just kind of goes on there.
Yeah, it does.
It's supposed to put, yeah. You just need to jam it or somehow.
It's so hot.
It's kind of close.
Right.
The water.
So, technical
You just
difficulty.
said it wasn't before
No,
you
no, it like we got to the
That's
water.
not supposed to be off.
Yeah, because they diddled with it.
Who diddled with it?
Did he diddle? Dude, mine's so easy to work on. That's why I hate Polaris, because they're so compact.
Yeah, they are difficult to work on, but like they also aren't meant to break down.
Yeah, Honda's good.
Okay,
That's to go to
the newer Hondas suck. Maybe my oil's broke.
That's the Katie. That's the oil filter. Katie, that's where the oil goes.
But no, the newer Hondas suck. Whoa, the newer Hondas suck. Yeah, the newer.
Connor, just leave it off.
I said newer Hondas suck.
Maybe it just needs to calm.
Maybe it just needs to calmly secure itself.
I'm gonna get some water
It will be okay.
Maybe we should take it through the water again.
No, yeah.
to cool it down. Yeah.
That's what it always does. Every four-wheeler does that.
Well, no, because when you guys went through it, the fucking engine was revving so goddamn much.
It was before it too. Connor.
So that means something's wrong with your fucking four-wheeler then.
Yeah, because listen to you guys going through it. It does not. It didn't even sound good.
That's what. See, we weren't even in the water before it started freaking out.
That's why I thought you had it in low.
Try, listen to mine. Listen to mine.
No, I know. Kind of sound like
Connor, you're a fucking bitch. Are you recording this?
Yeah, I am recording this.
Were you recording us when we were talking to you guys doing wood?
Yeah.
Why?
What?
So you heard. Chloe,
What?
get down here.
No, I don't work with the boys.
Make her do something.
If she doesn't help up there, you guys have to
Make her bring the wood to
you're
the.
Gator? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I got you.
Just make her do something.
Alright, I got you.
Actually, though.
Connor's being a little punk today.
I'm gonna hit you in the head with this wood if you don't move.
Chloe, you better watch yourself.
You almost just died.
Holy fuck.
Oh my gosh.
Chloe, I'm gonna throw you right down there.
So who's the punk now, Billy?
Huh?
Who's the punk now?
Please don't throw it that hard.
What do you mean?
Chuck it at him.
What do I mean?
What do you mean?
Don't throw it that hard.
What do you mean?
On the pile. The screaming at Chloe, Bentley almost
Make her
died.
get the wood.
You were recording.
Yeah, what's?
You had your GoPro?
No, I was
You
using my
had his
phone.
Oh.
I don't think you understand though. Your head was like right here, and all of a sudden the pistol would fly.
Yeah, I know.
But it was like,
Right
what do you
behind
mean?
me.
He was like,
It was
what do you
And
mean?
we're like, oh, you almost just actually died.
Alright, how do I take this bitch off? Connor, how do I take this off?
You don't want to take it off.
Yeah, I do.
Are you still recording?
Yes, it's
Alright, guys. So, I can't take it off.
I wanna
But we're gonna do a little vlog.
Give me the.
So, we went through a little puddle. Whoa. Watch yourself, man. We went through a little puddle.
Sorry, I can't help myself.
And now this thing is stuck in low gear.
Bentley broke my four-wheeler. Somebody come help me. And Connor, they're routing it together. What are
Guys,
they
just so you know, this is going.
Oh.
Alright, guys. So, Timmy Tough Knuckles over here.
Got the crew. Connor Conrad.
We're really trying to fix this, but you know, I'm just too blue
Conrad?
collar. I have a 70
Yeah, well, I'm just too blue collar, redneck.
I have a 70 hour day tomorrow.
Neck is red.
Guys, it's rain. I just felt a raindrop.
Connor, say hi to my vlog.
This is my vlog.
It's my channel.
Guys, it's actually raining.
It's been
We
raining.
know.
Ah! Are you like a mermaid or are you gonna transform or is that why you're so scared?
Let me try to drive it. His boots look like this. My boots are fucking foot.
I'd like to say this is a 0 out of 10 experience.
All right.
The boys
All right,
freaking
well,
destroyed my
well,
four-wheeler.
no, wait.
Now he's trying to attack me.
Give me it.
Do you see
No.
this?
All right,
Yeah,
guys.
attack.
Since we're waiting, we're all gonna do a little fit check.
Oh, okay. I have no clue I got these.
All right. So I got the deck boots. You know,
Yeah, get it.
real heat and everything.
Fight me.
I got this jacket from Tractor Supply. And hold on, we got a little UFC match over here. I don't know what I'm recording, but.
Oh shit. Katie. You know your key works for mine too. Your key works for mine too, bitch. We're on it.
All right, guys. I have no clue what's going on behind me. Anyways, continue with the fit check. And these are Levi's. And I have a Nike hoodie under this.
Oh, am I supposed to?
Yeah, do a little fit check.
Yard sale? Okay, ready? Okay.
Yours too? Bro, I got All right, Connor, how do you feel after that?
Not good. Bentley, can I try something on you?
No. All right, Connor, how do we pause this actually?
You just click the button at the top.
I got that big Bentley.
All right, guys.
What we show our kids in 30 years. Bentley hugging us for. Such an awesome car.
Guys, watch this shit. Ready, guys? Watch this shit. Guys, watch this shit. Ready?
Okay, Connor. Okay, Conrad. Okay,
All right, anyways, while we're vlogging, we might as well just.
You just sit on it.
Whoa. Okay, this is not like you and Quinn over here.
Good joke. No, we literally said.
Oh, that's not it.
I was gonna say. We don't care.
Oh, not good.
It's not worth. Yeah, there you go.
Okay,
now hit it. Now hit it.
Bro, I did a big ass jump. Y'all
Yep.
get it.
Why would we record you when I could be recording me? Bentley, do you know those? I don't remember what they say. Oh, Katie, but they're like, one day you're gonna realize that they're actually the best people you've met. Just don't tell them. I think it's time. Wait, I gotta do a joke about my dead grandma. Okay, ready? Knock, knock. Not my grandma. She had a mason jar on a dresser. Why?
Park the thing, dude.
We're over here making dead grandma jokes.
All right, maybe.
See if this thing's as dramatic as. What?
Alright,
You sound like the duck you killed the. Yeah.
it's in park. I know it.
No.
You're not a fucking cameraman. Come on.
Yes, I am. Now I am.
Katie, hit a jump.
Alright, time to take it to your shop.
Fuck. Can they make it past that?
Huh?
Can they make it through those?
What?
Bears, can they make it through the, because it goes steep and it goes up and steep.
jumping the gun, yeah, like I do it for fun. You act like you do it for real, but no, you not on the vibe, you never could come. Inside of this gutter we run, inside of this world we run, we do it for us. No, we don't fuck with one of them at all, we don't function at all. No, I won't pick it because no, I don't like it at all. I can't wanna see you fall. I keep on chasing the highs, I know I can never get back, so I'm always on low. And I got eyes on the back of my head, I got eyes everywhere, so I know where you go. I could drop ties in this bitch, drop like flies in this bitch. I cut ties in this bitch, I'll cut ties in your face. Yeah, cut you like a lace, nothing I do could be replaced. That's why I'm living out in space. I take the money to another level, I take the plane to another level, I take the highest to a new level, I take it higher to a new level. Keep digging your grave past you to show. Yeah, I ain't mean to burst your bubble, but I ain't into making change, I'ma stay the same, bring it to my level. If we be real, I don't know how to feel.
Holy jump, dog. Woo! Bro, I jumped every single one of those. What? Careful! When we went like steep down that, bro, I got flashbacks from when I freaking went down the hill with the Suzuki. Huh? That's steep. This is really, really steep. Ah, shit. No way they stop there. man. That's gonna be fun. Holy shit, 2? That's not good. He's going to 3. Please tell me it's just an accident. It's gonna go up to 3. Yeah, okay, good. Oh shit! They were on one wheel. Really steep. One that I flipped over? That's crazy. Yeah. There you go.
I think it just like needed to dry off or something because it was insane. Okay, my phone's on.
Yeah, we basically just did a big circle.
Yeah.
I did not know that last jump was there, so we went like
my belly button was at her head. Like I almost went over her.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah, I know. These are like fun, and I don't have to worry about getting yelled at because I have permission to ride on them.
Yeah. It's owned by the Slaytons, aren't
If
they?
you think about it, none of us have license plates, so it's just like we can go on whatever.
Yeah, but you also don't have my helmet.
Okay, but it's like
Faces don't
if
matter.
they see my face, are they gonna go and knock at every door and be like, that was the girl?
No. Is this owned by the Slaytons?
Huh?
Is this owned by the
It's also
Slaytons?
owned by the plant. Most of this
Yeah.
on this seasonal road.
Well, when it was like the really hilly stuff, when we had to avoid that tree and go in the woods,
Yeah.
that's the Turners. Sean gave
And
me
they don't care if you
permission to
drive
ride
through
out.
it. Yeah, they don't care.
But when we went up and followed this is the plan. But they don't really check nor care.
Well, they have trails.
Yeah.
1 hour later.
Now we're on our way home. We did a lot of riding today. Had a lot of fun. Yeah, let's just get a ride home. And now I know where we are. I recognize that. I know where we are now.
I'll send you that video of you hitting that hole.
I went all the way through, bro. Holy shit.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Alright. Hope you had fun.
I did have fun.
But we'll ride again sometime. I'll probably see you tomorrow, to be honest.
Maybe, yeah. Or Saturday. Definitely probably Saturday.
Huh?
Definitely Saturday.
Well, I'm talking about work.
I'll work, that's what I mean. I'm working for Rick tomorrow.
Oh, you are?
Hey, I'm going up to take down trees with him on our trails.
Alright.
So I can ride through them.
Alright, maybe we can ride tomorrow.
Maybe.